मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही मुझको।
Hope so all are doing good.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाह।
Hope so all are doing well with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah. Nice to see you all. Let us start with the introduction part of today I will start with Mr. Wahab, then Mr. Muhammad Salman, then Mr. Muhammad Majid Hussain, then Mr. Muhammad, it's not showing proper, and Mr. Muhammad Sheikh Hussain. So let us start our session with the introduction. First, Mr. Wahab will start, please.
Ma'am, self-introduction.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. First of all, thank you for giving me opportunity that introduce to myself. I'm Muhammad Wahab from the city of Pulse, Hyderabad. And currently I am pursuing a degree final year from the Osmania University. And I believe smart work with a hard work will help me to achieve my desired goals. And I am a little ambivert person.
Okay.
Ambivert person here is means neither to mingle or neither to alone.
Okay. Suppose in front of interviewer you have to give your introduction like that. In that way, I have shared that thing in the group. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I have seen, ma'am.
Yes. According to that, try to say, okay, once we'll get here, we are doing practice. Once you feel that you are, you have done with good introduction, so you make a record, video record or audio record and share with us. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Jazakallah. Yes, start with Mr. Salman. Yes, please. Mr. Syed Yusuf.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give your introduction like in front of like a panel of members, okay? In the panel, in the interview, you are saying, okay?
Yesterday I was absent, ma'am.
Yes, I have shared the things, no, whatever, if you are missing the class, I am sharing the things what we are doing in the class, in the group. Have
Yeah,
you seen?
but I was busy because
Okay,
my
just
brother
give
health
a,
was not good.
oh, okay, no problem.
No issue. What man was asking you, just
Okay,
tell that. Give your self introduction.
okay. My name is Sayyid Yusuf. I have completed my BTech from Mughal College of Engineering and Technology in 2010.
Okay.
In 2011, I went to Saudi Arabia, and in 2015, I came back to India.
Okay.
And I have done courses like CCNA, SharePoint, Windows Server.
Okay, continue, sir. Okay, tomorrow you just prepare and give your introduction. Okay,
Okay,
I'm measuring you, each and every one with two factors. Okay, confident and effectiveness.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, so these
Okay, ma'am.
I am checking these two factors, effectiveness and confidence. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
I will say after giving your introduction, I will say that how confident you are and how whatever the introduction you have given, it is effective or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so prepare well. All the best.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Next, Mr. Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Sheikh Fayaz.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are listening?
Yes, yes, sir.
Ah. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity for my introduction. Myself, Sheikh Hussain. I'm from Bada Badar, Golconda, and I'm completed my graduation from the Lal Bahadur Degree College from
Excuse me, please. Sorry for the interruption. Don't say the locality where you are living. Just say the city. It's enough. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And completed my graduation from the LB College in 16 November 2020. And my strength is to work hard, and my weakness is to trust everyone. And my family consists of 7 members. It's over, ma'am.
Okay, good. A conclusion, please check it out. What is there in the, I will share the things. Okay, wait a moment. See here, each introduction part, how it should be. Okay. Okay, introduction part, how it should be. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
Always tell in brief about yourself. Better start with saying thanks for giving opportunity. Then tell your name and from where you belongs to. Then about your educational credentials. Okay. After education credentials, then experience. Okay.
Okay.
Experience or fresher. If you are fresher, then tell about the academic projects what you have done. Okay, practical thing. What if you don't have experience? So during
Yes.
during your course, during your engineering, what are the different projects you have done? What are the projects you are involved in that? Okay, so tell
Okay.
about that. Share the things how practical you are. Okay, then you
Okay.
are not concluding this, and no one is concluding their achievements. Yesterday also said achievement or extracurricular activities done at school level or college level also. It's very much important. Okay,
Okay.
and your ambition, goals, short term goals and long term goals. Short term goals are suppose for 6 months, 12 6 to 1 year, like that. During your school level, how what you have set a goal. During your junior college level, that is a short term goal. Now you are looking for a long term goal. Okay, so like this you can share the things. Once you share the things, others will understand that how much you are, means you are marketing yourself. You are marketing yourself. You are by giving your introduction, that how much you are profitable to the company. Okay, you are saying that I am where, if you recruit me, I will give you profit, I will work for your organization. It is a very good point if you recruit. So give the positive things. Okay, achievements, it's very much important, and the projects, and how much. Suppose if organization is giving you tasks, how you will measure the things. Long term, you will go for short term goal or long term goal. Once you achieve short term goal, you will go for long term goals. Then strength and weakness. Then lastly, hobbies. Then conclusion should be there. Conclusion is like I am looking for a good opportunity to explore my skills. This one statement should be there. Conclusion. It looks good if you say conclusion. It is a remarkable for them. Remark for them. Okay. So this is the two models of giving the introduction. Okay. See here. First part, it is greeting. Okay, you are starting your introduction part with the greeting. Greeting,
Yes.
good morning, yeah, good afternoon. Okay. Then you are saying that you are thankful for giving. You are saying thankful You are thankful to that person. That person is giving you the chance to introduce yourself. Okay. And you're saying your name and from where you are. Okay. These two things important about your name and from where you are. Okay. Then about your education. Then about your education from which university you have done, that is important, not the college. Okay, don't specify college, please. Okay, so if just say the university. University, it's matter at the professional level. Okay, so and I have completed my graduation in the batch, you say, from Usmania University, specialized. If suppose you are specialized in computer science, IT, mechanical, electrical, like that. Okay, means specialization in engineering, which specialization. Okay, then your strength, with confident you have to say your strength. Just change the tones also when you are coming towards the first, you are saying about the name and where from where you are. Okay, second is education, then third is your strength. Be confident, be strong, be effective, then strength and weakness, then about your family and your experience or your project, what you have done during your course. Okay, then about your hobby and conclusion, that's all about me. Okay, or anything you can add it. Please write like this. I want like this. Please research and make a perfect introduction, because we are working on that. You should give a very remarkable interview. Okay, you should impact on the interviewer by saying this. Okay, so prepare like this. That's why I have shared in the group. Please read 3 times any article. Please read 3 times, you will understand. In one time you will miss something. It will not impact on your brain. One time reading, read 3 times, please. So including me, there are 2 members, my father and the tell me about the your parents only. Okay, so it will reflect that from which family you are coming, like educated family, like that it will reflect that. Okay, then hobbies, that's all about me, that is the conclusion. And thank you once again. That is the greeting before saying and after saying. Okay, and this is a short one. Okay, just one of you tell me about what is the template of introduction, please. One by one, very quickly, please. Template one by one, say, and others will prepare according to this template, introduction template. Please come up. We have to more focus on this introduction part. It should be very strong. Okay. This
So
is
just
a very
we have
strong
to
point. Yes.
we have to read this introduction, means how to introduce yourself, or shall we say in our words? That's what I want to ask. Or shall we
Actually,
simply read this template?
No, don't read.
Yeah.
Just say what first step, what you have to say. According to that, give the introductions. I said first you have to say your name and from where you are. Okay. Second is your educational credentials. Okay. Then third, your experience. If you are if you have experience, if you don't have experience, like this academic projects, what you have done. Then fourth one is achievement, is very much important before this one, strength and weakness, achievement and goal. Before strength and weakness, you are not saying, nobody is saying, nobody is including this thing, achievement and goals. Very much, it is very much important. Okay, very strong points these are. So please, what is the template? Quickly say in with hands. How many points? Name, from where you are, educational and the experience, achievement, goal, strength, hobbies, conclusion. It includes 8 parts. Okay, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So according to this, you have to frame your introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I've shared 2 days. I've given 2 days also. I know that you will not work. Someone should be behind you. This is the nature of today's human beings' nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start please. First, discuss the template.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak. Myself, Usman Ali, and I come from Hyderabad. My educational credentials are I'm Masters in Communication System, and I have almost 7 years of academic experience, and I have been on different administrative roles as well. And I was actually associated with a lot of the community development programs, like skill development and entrepreneurship programs. Regarding my ambition is concerned, I have a goal to enter into the cybersecurity and explore my career. Regarding my long-term goal is concerned, I want to become an entrepreneur and I want to start up my company, and I want to uh, contribute to the society. Like regarding my strength is concerned, I believe that I am a very hard worker, and I can learn the skills very quickly. My weakness is I am a bit emotional person. And regarding my hobbies are concerned, I like exploring the new things and going on an adventure. So this is what is all about me, and I'm looking forward to for an opportunity from your side. Thank you.
Great, Mr. Usman. Good, great. So confidence is there and very effective, but still I want more effectiveness, as you have that much that you can create more confidence and more you can have in your introduction part. You can add this confident more and effectiveness.
इसमें नहीं आता.
But this is great. I can give you
Thank you,
4
ma'am.
stars. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
others rating, please, one by one.
Hello, good
Yes.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for giving me.
Just rate Mr. Usman. One by one, rate Mr. Usman, then you will. Please rate Mr. Usman on this introduction.
5 stars.
Yes? 5 star. Okay, one by one. Don't hesitate, please.
5 star.
Yes?
5 star, because he added new word. I am so emotional in weakness.
Only one by one give a rating, but I have given 4. Others?
4 points.
4. Okay.
4.5.
Okay.
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
Okay. Still is there? Okay, Mr. Riaz Ahmed, you want to start?
Yes, I will start.
Okay. Jazakallah.
Good afternoon. Yeah. Good afternoon. Thank you for giving opportunity. As my name is Riaz Ahmed. I have completed my BTech from Computer Science Engineering. And apart from that, I have 3 years of experience in India in e-discovery process. I have 2 years of experience in Gulf, where I have started a job in sales coordinate. I am passionate about learning new skills, whereas my goal is to get a job in IT sector. And my hobbies are like playing cricket, watching football, and my strength is I am very honest person and I am very focused. And my weakness is like presentation skills in public.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Mr. Riaz Ahmed, still I want more from your side. Okay, please add some more. Okay, effective.
Yes.
Okay, please.
I will.
You can, inshallah. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
This is Mohammad Amir. Hello.
Yeah.
My name is Mohammad Amir. My father name is Mr. Mohammad Khurshid. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from Osmania University in 2018. My abilities are I am flexible and hardworking person. My weakness is I can't see people in trouble. And my hobbies are reading story, playing snooker, and we are 4 members in our family. My father is businessman and my mother is housewife, and my elder brother he is working in MNC. My long term goal is I want to become a manager in a reputed IT company, and my short term goal is to get job in IT company and work for it. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Mr. Amir, you have not said about the achievement. Okay, your experience, or as if you are a fresher academic projects. Okay, please add this. Okay, prepare. Tomorrow you just prepare this according to this template. I have shared this template in group. Follow this template for your preparation for the introduction. Okay. Okay, Jazakallah, sir. Next.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yeah. Mr. Azimuddin, proceed.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Azimuddin. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech from Osmania University. As I am a fresher, I have done a major project that is a smart question paper leakage detection system, and we have uh, my strength is hardworking,
Mm-hmm.
and my weakness is trusting issue. Hobbies are swimming, reading books. I am looking for a good opportunity. Thank you. That's all about it. Thank you, much, sir.
Okay, good, Mr. Azimuddin. MashaAllah, great. Yes, next, please. Next, please. Yes, next, please. Yes. Yes, next, please. Yes, you are ready.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, proceed, sir.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Okay.
I'm Muhammad Moinuddin. I'm basically from Hyderabad. I have pursued my graduation from JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute.
Good.
Completed my graduation. Sorry.
Yes. Continue.
Malaredi Group of Institute, affiliated to JNTU. I have completed my graduation in EC stream, Electronics and Communication.
Okay.
Yeah, my family consists of 5 members. My mother and 4 siblings. 2 are elder than me, and 1 is younger to me. So I have overall I have 4 years experience.
Okay.
Yeah, but actually I have completed my engineering. But as per my experience, it's not related to my stream.
Okay.
So I just enrolled in this course so that which can help me to achieve my what I can say that my means I just want to utilize my engineering field.
Okay.
Enroll this software field. I
Okay.
hope I'll do that. I just play cricket and watch footballs and cricket matches. And coming to my drawback, I can say that presentation skills, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. That's
Okay, welcome, sir. Mashallah, nice to know about you. Okay, one more thing I want to conclude this. You just add, everybody add this. If you yeah, means you are changing your skill set also, you can add this after education skill set. Okay, one skill set means in which field you are good, software, hardware, that also include with some projects. Project is most important for IT field, IT industry. Please discuss in
Okay.
the interview, in the introduction, about your project. Discuss means what is the project, just title project, and basically for which, on which platform, like that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, please include this. Just you are doing AWS, I think so. Okay, in this
Yeah,
course,
ma'am.
AWS hardware, software, and
Cloud computing.
cloud computing. Okay, cloud
Thank you.
computing is a part of AWS, no?
Yes. 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 Anything.
Okay, you have done with your AWS classes, everybody. How many classes you have done? AWS?
Not yet, madam. We are just
Not yet. Okay.
going through networking.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow I will take technical interview. Is it
Inshallah.
okay for you,
Oh,
everybody?
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Technical interview means on hardware, software. Okay.
Okay.
I will go through these videos uploaded, those uploaded videos of your hardware. So I will ask you that I will take technical interview tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, next, please. Please, next. Yes, please, next. Include your, after education, include your experience and your skill set also, along with project. Then your achievement. Yes. Yes, please. Introduction, please. Yes, introduction, please. Yesterday I have given one more assignment about goal. Set a goal. I have seen only one student, one participant has submitted that about the goal, setting a goal. Any one of you, please give an overview of this, how to set a goal, and tell me about the SMART. Any one of you, please. Yes, I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
actually
ma'am.
I am not
Yes.
able to see your this one video panel. That's why I am not able to see that. It got struck.
Okay.
Okay, so please, I
Yeah.
can hear you, I can't see you.
Yes, ma'am. I will tell ma'am some points,
Okay,
like
fine.
setting a goal through
This
SMART,
is Mr.
SMART,
Riaz, no?
SMART.
This is Mr. Riaz.
Yes, yes, Riyaz Ahmad. I have submitted, ma'am. That points only I want to share here.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. In order to success, I believe setting goals is very important.
Mhm.
Setting goals give us short-term and long-term motivation. To set specific goal, our goal must be clear and well defined. For measurable goals, it includes precious amount of time so we can measure our goal success. We have to set attainable goals. We have to make sure that it should be possible to achieve the goals which we have set. Goal should be relevant to the direction we want in our life and career to take. By keeping goals, we develop the focus we need to go ahead. Our goals must be time bounded. We must have a deadline. This means we know when we can celebrate success. And the last point is setting goals is writing makes it real.
Okay,
Setting
very
goals
good.
in writing makes it real.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. It's very nice. Great.
Thank you.
Good job. MashaAllah. Good. Yes. Next, anybody, can you, this well thought outcomes, mind, this, how, anybody can explain this mind mapping? This is the, how you will prepare mindset to achieve a goal. It is a mindset. So how you are going to set this? Outcome, direction, smart, evidence, now, impact, self. Just explain this overview. Anybody, or you have set a goal? Anybody? You have set a goal. Okay, I have given this assignment. Here we have 11 ways to improve your goal setting. Isn't it? Can any one of you say how you are going to improve? Implementation part, theory we are discussing. Then how you will implement this? Setting a goal.
Yes, ma'am. Basically, we'll try to include the points that you have given. It's really outstanding and out of box things. So I personally feel that whenever we are going for an interview or we are representing ourselves, so if we include these points, then our application will be the powerful application, and then whoever interviewer is taking our interview, he'll get to know that this person is really confident and he has really done his homework, and the possibility of the person getting selected gets maximized if you follow the pattern that you are giving, ma'am. That's what inshallah I'll prepare. I'm still have not done that homework, that's why I'm not speaking on that behalf, but regarding this I just want to say this. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Nice to know about like your views. Actually, all are professional. Okay, we have achieved one short-term goal is you have achieved a professional degree, engineering. Okay, that is a professional course, engineering. Now you have to become professional. How? Day by day you have to behave like professional. Day by day you should behave like professional. Work like professional, behave like professional, do your task like a professional. Then only you can achieve the things. Our former president Abdul Kalam Azad, okay, how he has achieved so many things. You have to be dedicated towards your goal. Dedication required towards your goal. Okay, so please, anybody, what in your mind, you just share your views. These are the words you have to add in your
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum
Again, I
assalam.
want to tell about.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, my goal is to learn communication skill. So the measurable things I have taken. One of my friend is very good in speaking English. So I asked him, how should I learn these things? Means he said one of the ways, while watching movies, instead of watching Hindi movies, you can watch English movies, Hollywood movies.
Yeah.
In studying, you didn't understand what they are saying, so watch with subtitles. He gave me idea.
Yes, I have. This is your first class. I have said in 3 classes, edutainment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Education please plus entertainment. You just watch English movies, a series of movies like example, a novel type, Sherlock Holmes movie. Okay, and one day everybody watch this series. Just share what you are going to watch, and we'll do one activity of playing that. Select some dialogues and say it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Isn't
And
it? Can we do
Another
this?
idea, shall I say, ma'am?
Yeah.
And another idea I got from internet that while I was searching in YouTube how to learn these communication skills, I got the idea we can practice our communication by calling to the customer care. We can select the language English and we can communicate there. They will not judge us that this is wrong and what. If we will try in our friends or group, they will make fun of us. That's what we can communicate there. We can practice there
Yes. You
for
can
calling
practice
to the
by
customer
making
care.
videos of your topic. On one topic, you can make videos.
Okay,
Like
ma'am.
that also you can practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Later you can watch it and you can realize that how much you have to cover the things. Do this also.
That's all. Thank you.
Yes. Jazakallah, you are working hard. You are taking efforts how to improve English communication. Okay, good. Nice to know about. Okay, next. This is the video I want to share. This is the movie series of movies Archers. That movie is called Archers. It's good for learning English. Okay, next. Who is next? Please come up with your ideas. Goal setting. Yes, please. Yes, please. Please come up with your ideas. Yes, this we need to do this activity once you set a goal and how what are the measures you are going to take. We'll do this activity of accomplishment of goal. Okay, and few people they have discussed about, they have shared their views on this. What will happen if you're going towards goal? If you are away from goal, what will continue, what will stop if you achieve goal? Just others will share, please. 2 to 3 points. What will happen if you are going towards goal, if you achieve goal? If you have achieved goal, what will happen? If you are not achieved goal, what will happen? Please, anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, yes, sir, please.
Yes. Like in the present context, in the present scenario that we are looking today, a person can be a best person if he becomes an independent person and he can contribute to the society and contribute to his family. So for that, in order to achieve the success, and the overall success is only when you can contribute positively to your family and society. So for that, it's very important that we keep a goal in our life, and we daily we have to make actions towards achieving it. On the other context, if we don't make a goal, and if we don't try to implement the proper actions towards achieving the goal, we end up doing nothing. And in that way we'll spoil our career in long term. And we will be like, will become a burden to your family and to the society as well. So like in the present context, as well as to get the stability in the life and to contribute positively to your family and society, it's very much important. And it's a high time that as soon as we realize our goal, we have to start working towards the goal. And we daily we have to make sure, and we have to analyze ourselves, that are we working towards it, are we doing actions towards achieving our goal. So that's the only way we can achieve our goal as soon as possible, and then we can contribute to our family and society. Thank you, ma'am.
MashaAllah. Very good. Deep thought you have given. You have shared your deep thought. MashaAllah. Good. Very deep thought. Isn't it? I will give 4 stars. And
Thanks
just
a lot,
have
ma'am.
2 points. Goal achieved. What will happen? Goal not achieved, what will happen?
If we achieve the goal, we'll very happy and
Yes, sir.
in what ways we have achieved, in what ways we have achieving the goal, we express to the world that I have achieved a goal in this particular passion. If we won't achieve the goal, we'll fall from the inside, we'll depress something, we lose our confidence at that moment that in spite of working hard, we are not achieved a goal. Let's try it better than this one. Try hard in this way, more better way for this. So in this way, we'll differentiate or we'll gain or lose this confidence after achieving the goal and not achieving the goal.
Very good, sir. Very good. Good points you have shared with us. Yes. Yes. What will stop if you achieve goal? Suppose you have a goal of getting a good job. What will stop? If once you achieve, what will stop?
If once we achieve the goal, we satisfied with that particular achievement, and it stops our happiness that we have enjoyed a lot, and we just satisfy on that particular thing. But we need to move on to get some more achievements and set a new goal for that on that particular field.
Mm-hmm. Yes. For achieving the goal, you have changed
on
your
that particular thing or a space.
Yes. For achieving that goal, you have changed your routine, your day-to-day life.
Yes.
So you will be on that habit. So you have stopped the your bad habits. You have stopped your bad habits. Those bad habits, it's a obstacle for achieving that goal. So you have stopped that. So now you are in the right path of the good habits. Yes. Next. Yeah. If you're not finding time for yourself to do harder work, to do work on whatever the assignments you have, whatever you have set a goal to achieve that goal, you should give some time. So as a person, we have other levels of living. Okay, we have living like we have family and other responsibilities. How to segregate the things? You have to find your 1 hour or 2 hours for yourself to achieve the goal. So that is a 25th hour. You have to find 1 hour or 2 hour for yourself to do actions, to do set of actions to achieve the goal. So how you will do that? So this is the pyramid. First top pyramid is your lifestyle. You have to change your lifestyle for purpose of achieving goal. Okay, change the lifestyle for long term goals. You will change for short term time. Suppose you have 3 months of period. In 3 months of period you are doing these sessions. So you have changed your lifestyle. You have dedicatedly spending 2 to 3 hours online. Before this you have spent it somewhere else. So this is your short term goal. You want to make it a short term goal or a long term goal? Means after 3 months you want to continue that is a long term goal. After 3 months you will continue with your hard work, your set of actions, whatever you have learned during your sessions. You have to work on that. Until and unless you won't work, you won't get results. Okay, simply joining and attending and going off, you have to make your efforts. It is very important to get the result. Even for a school boy, teachers, everyone, even as you are all parents, I think so, hope so. So you also look forward for your kid to make some efforts. Unless and until the kid, the small boy will not take his own efforts, he will not achieve the result, isn't it? Then you should be responsible for your achievements. If you are responsible, no one will stop you to achieve the goal. You are becoming a responsible of coming here and joining online meeting. You are responsible. If you are not making yourself responsible for attending this meeting, then who will be the loser? So even we are making our kids also be responsible. Each and every human being in the world, they are responsible for themselves. So we are making the kid also be responsible. Keep your things, keep your books properly in your bag and take attend the school. Uh, parents, some parents, they will keep the books in the bag of their kid. Means they are making, they are not making the kid responsible. Make the kid responsible of their belongings. So we too also, as a home minister, as a leader of your family, you are responsible for each and everything. So be responsible and do your uh, goals. Try to set a goal and try to achieve the goals. You have to change your lifestyle. Then means lifestyle means you have to change, means be professional in each and every manner. Okay, then immediate goals. Once you change your lifestyle, okay, and you are becoming a responsible, you will immediately achieve goals. And day to day activity also involve whatever you are attending in these sessions. Make it as a day to day activity. Whatever you are learning, implement in day to day activity. So means you are giving whatever you are learning, you are giving some time to that what you have learned. So whatever the things you are learning, so make it in day to day activity. Then this is the productivity pyramid. To get the result, that is a productivity. Okay, to achieve the goal, that is a productivity. So for that you have to plan daily what I have to do daily. Okay, then plan weekly.
Yes, as per the planning also, ma'am, we have to make sure that we have to go, we have to set a milestone also.
Yes, sir.
We have to set a milestone weekly. This week we are doing this one. So after this we can go for another milestone like this.
Yes. Once you achieve day to day routine, we feel happy and we try to make it for other days. Okay. Isn't it? I'm correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Once the milestone is completed, we have to go for another one.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
You get confidence.
Yes.
Once you achieve that. Okay. Good point. Plan weekly, set goals, identify values. Identify values means you are feeling like I have given 1 hour here in this session. It is valuable for me. It is valid for me. So identify that. So where you are spending your time, just justify yourself. Are you really, it is valuable for you or not?
Yes, analyzing ourselves.
Simply watching movies, Netflix, and chatting, WhatsApp, like this. Are you utilizing the time? Okay, you are not utilizing the time in the correct path, in the correct way. Hadith also is there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask you how did you spend your time?
Yes.
In which way? How much you have given to in good deeds? Okay, so whatever the time you are getting, each and every minute is asked for you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask each and every minutes of yours. It is counted how you have spent that time. And your money, time, money, and other things, wealth, everything. So be careful about spending this time, wealth, and your time, wealth.
We should analyze ourselves and we should keep a track on our progress.
Yes, 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 good. Here, how to build a good habit. we need to build a good habit. So here is the example: set phone reminders. Okay, we are using phone. We are much our like we can say that good friend is our smartphone only. So smartphone is a good reminder. He will remind you, that phone will remind you. You have to do this, do that. You are making that smartphone machine to remind you.
Environment. We can say environment.
Yes. uh, Environment should remind you, you should you want to become a responsible person, no need of reminding. Okay, try to be responsible. Don't make others to remind you. If others is reminding you, means you are not responsible. So set phone reminder on. If you want a habit of good habit, to build a habit, so set phone reminder of 11 a.m. Like if you want to wake up in early in the morning at 4 o'clock, so you will give a reminder. Okay,
Alarm, yes, alarm.
alarm you will give, but as you wish, you will get up. That alarm will go on for 1 hour, 2 hour, but according to your wish, you will get up. Just before Fajr Azan, half an hour, like that. So please give your time early in the morning to yourself for studying and everything. It's a good time. Okay. Anybody wants to share anything about today's class? Please.
Ma'am,
Please,
today
sir.
today we have not seen your screen with your PPT. We have only listened the audio. So I think you have all said today with
Okay,
without
okay. I
the
will share now. Right now, I will share.
yes,
Just
ma'am.
say me.
The points that you have said, just now, like yesterday you shared in the group, no, ma'am. In the same way, if we have these points as just a reminder, we can keep this as a reminder as well. So
Okay, inshallah. Daily, I will share the things.
yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks,
Like,
Roddy. Yes, ma'am. This is the one. Yes, ma'am. This one, the pyramid.
okay,
Yes.
pyramid.
Yes.
Okay. Please try to work. Okay. As a professional, you can keep diary, or you can keep Google Keep, or Evernotes. Hope so. Everybody having a laptop and smartphone like that. So keep the things, like be professional. Keep the things on Google Keep or Evernote, so that you can refer before going for an interview. It's this a good. So keep the things, whatever the seminars and symposiums you are attending, keep the things. It will help you out in future also for checking this. Okay, keep your things, what you have understood, you just make a note and keep the PPTs, prepare PPTs also. Okay, isn't it? We have to do other activities also, inshallah. And this one, 11 ways to, what are the different ways to improve your goal setting? Anybody can read this?
Have a long-term goal. Give you motivation, a boost.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I continue all the points?
Yeah, continue, please.
Have a short-term goal helps you maintain focus. Make it challenging but realistic. Aim high so that you really push yourself. What's the why? Give a reason why your goal is important. Make it specific. Specific, not to vague terms. Make it easier to monitor progress. Focus on skills. Focus on developing your skills, not just on the end outcome. Be flexible. If the situation changes, tweak your goal. Share your goal. If other people know about them, they may be able to help you. Ensure there is trust. People work harder on achieving a goal if they trust the person who has set them that goal. Consider potential obstacles. This allows you to come up with a plan, ensuring that you are fully prepared. Monitor progress. This helps you stay on the right track and to adjust as needed.
Okay, good. Anybody overview of this in short? What are the ways to achieve your goal for setting a goal? Flexible situation are there here. This is the my mind mapping. This one situation is like you can drop a goal in context or a situation. Okay, in context of like you're feeling that this course is not I cannot proceed for further. In that context you will drop the goal. Or any in any situation like you, some reason you will drop that goal. So this you should be flexible enough for that. Be flexible if the situation changes. Tweak your goal like that. So you can proceed for another goal. Anybody overview this one? Summary of this 11 ways for setting your goal. Please, anybody?
Ma'am, I think setting up the goals, again, that point of SMART comes into picture that you have shared. So I believe that within that SMART points, actually this 11 points gets integrated. So if
Yes.
actually try to work on that SMART points, within itself, these 11 points comes into picture. That's what I feel, ma'am. So that SMART points is really helpful, and it's really an innovative approach to actually work towards the goal. Alternatively, I believe that all these 11 points gets integrated inside it as well.
Yeah. So please frame it, your goal, according to these points. This is the theory about setting a goal. I want the implementation of this theory, okay? Isn't it? Everybody should work on this and share the things tomorrow. Definitely in a very professional way, everybody will going to share the goal, okay? Please integrate this SMART. Yesterday I have also shared the things in the group. Please come up, okay? It's going at 2. This is the 4th class about setting a goal. I will continue this and unless and until you come up with your things, with your work, implementation work. I want 2 things from your side: introduction in a perfect manner and the setting a goal. These 2 things. Once you finish this, I will proceed for next topic, okay? Isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
definitely, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Inshallah.
So please try to come up with this, okay? By Saturday I am giving time. Finally you just come up on Saturday with your things, okay, in a very professional manner. Okay, Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Jazakallah.